I've wondered how I managed to live most of my life sleeping at night without you by my side. And all this time I've wondered, how did I start my days from long before this? Now I can't just walk out the door without feeling your kiss. And I don't know how else to say it. Guess I never got this far before. And I don't know how else to say it. So let me put it this way. I never thought all the love songs would start coming true. I never knew how to write them till the day I met you. I never learned how to dance, but I'm moving to the groove. And it's thanks to you, 'cause you make me feel brand new. I can't seem to remember when exactly I started counting down the hours till I get to see your face. So hard to be apart.
I've been going to the places where we used to meet before, 'cause lately I've been feeling so confused. We've gone our separate ways and never see you face to face, but in my dreams I'm always running back to you. So tell me why I'm tripping over lines drawn between you and I feel like such a fool. In my mind I've tried so many times to run away and hide from my memories with you. But when I close my eyes, you're there beside me on the beach that night. And when you say goodbye, you're still on my mind. Gotta find a way to stop